जी न्यूज की टीम इस वक्त इजराइल में मौजूद है। हम दक्षिणी हिस्से की तरफ बढ़ रहे हैं, ट्रेन से यात्रा कर रहे हैं क्योंकि दक्षिणी हिस्सा सबसे ज्यादा प्रभावित हुआ है हमास के आतंकी हमले के बाद। हमारे साथ नोआ जुड़ रहे हैं जो कि इजरायली नागरिक हैं, दक्षिणी शहर में रहते हैं। नोआ, व्हाट इज द सिचुएशन देयर इन द सदर्न सिटी, स्पेशली इन एशकेलॉन एरिया?
It's still not good. My whole family live in Ashkelon. They still have rockets. Most of them, they don't have a safe room, so they don't have a really good place to hide. I have a safe room in my house, thank God I live in Ashdod. And still we are so afraid from the Arabs, the Palestinian people that will come and will do another killing, another shooting. We are still holding in our houses because we are scared to go out. So no, the situation is not good. Even 3 days later, we don't know the name of everyone that got killed. We don't know the name of the people being kidnapped. We don't know how much been kidnapped. We don't know if they're alive, they're dead. People seen their daughters and sons being kidnapped by videos on Telegram. No one is telling us how much been kidnapped. It's just horrible situation right now.
Nora, how many Israeli citizens have been killed
So right now I think the number is 750, but they are saying until the end of everything it will be 1,000. So I believe it will get to 1,000, unfortunately, people.
And still Hamas is targeting the citizens of Israel by rockets and the bullets?
Yes. Today even my family, they text me now when I open the phone because I was up all night. I opened the phone and then I saw they are saying, my family, everyone is okay, everyone is in the shelter, everyone is in the safe room, everyone still rockets.
Noah, you are also the part of the reserve military battalion of the Israel?
I'm part of the military, not like the fighting and stuff. Everyone in Israel, almost all the civilians are serving in the army because we have to serve in the army. It's mandatory. No one asks us if we want or we don't. So I'm part of the military. Yeah.
So every citizen of Israel is fighting against Hamas at this moment?
So all the people that are in the army and can go and the army call them, yes, they are going right now.
So what would you like to appeal from the other countries who are watching this Israel and Hamas
First
war?
of all, I would like to appeal for all the Arab countries. I'm talking about Lebanon, I'm talking about Syria. Do not join this war. Do not make it a massive war and shooting and that. No one, I don't want anyone dying, not from the Palestinian side, not from the Lebanon side, not from the Syria side. I don't want any other country to join this situation. I want the situation to stay as it is. And the second thing, I would wish for people to talk about all the people have been kidnapped. 200 people. Please put pressure on Hamas.
200 people have been kidnapped?
Yes, kids, grandmothers, families, a whole family, teenagers, so many teenagers, and no one knows if they are alive, they are dead. All we see is videos that the Palestinian people are filming. No one knows if they are surviving, if they are not. We don't know, so I'm asking the world, can you pressure Hamas to release those people?
Pooja, thank you very much.
200 people.
There is anguish. There is a lot
horrible.
of anguish. There is
देखिए
in fact, we have
आंखों में आंसू हैं नोआ के, और क्योंकि बहुत मुश्किल क्षण है इजराइल के लिए। इनका ये कहना है कि 200 से ज्यादा इजरायली नागरिकों को हमास ने किडनैप किया है, जिसमें छोटे बच्चे भी हैं, और अब तक 750 से ज्यादा इजरायली नागरिकों की मौत हो गई है। रॉकेट लगातार दागे जा रहे हैं। यहाँ पर अरब देशों से नोआ ने अपील की है कि लेबनान और सीरिया इस युद्ध में शामिल ना हों, और देखना यही होगा कि आखिरकार इजराइल में कब तक हालात सामान्य होते हैं। कैमरामैन जयदीप के साथ विशाल पांडे, जी मीडिया, इजराइल।